Hi guys, welcome to an episode of Luke's Garage. Today we're going to have a look at the new Beaver CNC Zero2 Probe. Now this is the second rendition of the Beaver CNC Zero Probe, and the notable differences are it's slightly larger, which just allows it to sit on the on your workpiece a little bit easier, and then the main actual reason for doing this is because it's got a hole in it. Now you may say, why has it got a hole in it? There's a couple of chaps which are very clever and are great with macros. A chap called Neil has devised a macro for CNCJS which allows you to find datum or job start by using a hole on a probe. So it doesn't actually make a difference what size end mill you're using, it will always find the center of this hole, which then correlates to datum. So without any further ado, we're going to put our workpiece or our probe on. We lower our probe into place, sorry, not our probe, our end mill into place, and about 5 mil lower than the surface of the probe. And I'm just going to put my finger here to hold the probe in place. Click start on the macro. And as you can see, it's now probing that hole. And now we are at datum on here.